correct use of personal protective equipment, PPE, is essential for its effectiveness. Today, we will show you how to properly don and doff DuPont Tyvek 500. Before beginning, make sure to remove all items in your pocket, including your phone and any jewelry. Open the garment and do the usual visual inspection. Now it's time to start the process. 1. Start by sitting down and removing your shoes. Insert your feet into the garment and raise the garment to your waist. Make sure you use the proper safety shoes. Place coverall legs over the shoes. 2. Pull garment over arms and shoulders. Adjust it for a better fit, if necessary. Partially zip up the garment. 3. Put on the necessary PPEs, such as a mask or glasses, and then put on the hood. 4. Close the zipper. Adjust the hood to your face and verify if storm flap is fully covering the zipper. Now you can finalize the process with all other PPE, such as gloves and helmet. You may stretch yourself to ensure garment fit. That's it. Now you are ready to do your job. To doff your PPE, you may follow these steps. 1. If you have an external hood or helmet, remove it first. Open the zipper and roll the hood so the external side does not touch your neck or head. While you have your gloves on, be careful to avoid reaching inside the suit to avoid transfer of potential contamination. 2. Remove the sleeves along with the gloves. At this point, without the gloves, your hands should only touch the inside off the coverall. 3. Continue rolling the suit down past your waist. Remove your shoes or boots along with coverall legs. Now you can put on your shoes and remove the remaining PPEs, such as glasses or mask. Done! Now just collect your belongings and the job is complete. Share this video with everyone. See you next time.